It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 7. Day 7. Oh, it's a little radio. Oh my. I am a magnetic pincushion. So random. Whatever. Oh, what's a lot? What? Hello, Alice. Oh my gosh. Are these playing cards? Okay, I do love me some playing cards. I play cards. Do you guys play cards? I also play Mahjong. It's my favoriteest. Game night. Here we come. I'm going to open these up because I love playing cards and we have to look at all the designs in here. I do love Alice as well. Oh, yes. I had to smell it. Do you smell everything? Printed stuff like books. Oh, these are gorgeous. All the back sides are the same. Oh my gosh. These are so much fun. I love them. What a great pack of cards. Love it.